Bird dog. Are you struggling with weak core muscles and pelvic floor issues? The bird dog exercise could be your solution. By engaging your abdominal and back muscles, bird dog helps to stabilize your core and improve balance. This exercise also targets the muscles surrounding the pelvis, including the pelvic floor, which is essential for urinary and bowel control. Incorporating bird dog into your routine can lead to better pelvic floor strength, reduced risk of incontinence, and improved overall core stability, setting you on the path to a stronger, healthier body.